kasi. Topping so plenty, manamis-namis pa.
Patrick, Jollibee tayo?
Sige ma, date tayo. Sa Jollibee, bida ang sarap.
Pwedeng kasabay?
Sure.
Thanks!
Ang mas masarap kasabay, ang mainit at malaman na Jollibee Soups in creamy macaroni and the new improved chicken sotanghon. Now with chunky chicken meatballs. Pwedeng pasabay? Sabayan ng tagulan ng Jollibee Soups.
Like the Cars gang, you need a break. Treat yourself to McNuggets Turbo Treats at McDonald's. Race back to work?
Lisa, kain tayo.
Uy, kain daw tayo!
Maaari bang umusok-usok ng konti? Hati-hating salo-salo para masarap ang kainan. Hindi naman buong-buo hinihiming ko sa iyo. Kahit kapiraso manong magkasundo tayo. At kung ako'y kausapin, ako naman ay di maselan. Payag matabihan.
Boss, saan daw kayo?
Uy, tayo mo!
New Greenwich Pizza God. Pizza goodness that knows no bounds. With flavors that leave you craving for more. New Greenwich Pizza God. You want, you get.
Love the new Greenwich pastas. Al dente noodles, embraced by rich, thick sauce. Made flavorful with Italian sausages. Tempting beef between layers of lasagna, caressed by soft, warm cheese. And 2 sauces to double the pleasure. Fall for the new Greenwich pastas.
This is where I want to be, feeling you right next to me. This is all I'm asking for. With you, there's nothing I want more. You and me has gotta be. Shakey's, you're the only one for me. It's gotta be. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Kapos ba lunch mo? Mag-KFC Rice Bowls. Sa 57 pesos, may steamed rice na, stir-fried veggies, at KFC Crispy Chicken pa in 3 delicious flavors.
Szechuan. Chicken na laking. Mongolian.
KFC Rice Bowls. Kompletong araw mo.
Sino ba yun?
Number 12, please.
Bago ko ibigay sa'yo, remember, lahat ng your favorite chicken available 24 hours. Dito sa McDo.
Is it a meal or no